Get noticed in this 2006 Cadillac DTS. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes front-wheel drive, driven by an automatic transmission. Navigation included to help you get to your destination with ease. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: keyless entry, leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, power mirrors. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, daytime running lights, low tire pressure warning. Call today to schedule a test drive.